Hi everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I had an awesome opportunity to check out some products from Everyday Deals. I will have all their information linked in the description box below, so go over to their store, check them out. They have anything from diamond printings to cross stitching, puzzles, little charm. I call them window charms. Sorry, with some crystals on, bags, blind boxes anywhere from $5.99 to $23.99, which is diamond prints. Also, you can have a custom-made diamond print, which I think is pretty cool. I just thinking about, what picture do I want to do and have them customize this so I can diamond print it. But I was very happy when I went and had this opportunity to go in their store and look for something. The first thing I put in search bar was Van Gogh. I love Van Gogh. Y'all know that. And they had a diamond print. And they had some bags. And it's very tempting on a bag. I just couldn't make up my mind. But I picked out the diamond print and I spent the last 2 days working on it. And I went to the Dollar Tree and bought a 11 by 13 size frame, because the diamond print was about 9.5 by 13. And here we go, guys. Voila! I hope they get more different Van Gogh diamond prints in, because they had two. Another one I didn't care for, but this is one. But I love it. It turned out great. All I did is buy a Dollar Tree frame and put it in a frame. I put some paper on the back to make it pop a little bit. And he is going in my Van Gogh bathroom. Yes, my bathroom's all Van Gogh. So, very nicely done. Plenty of little diamonds. I even have a bunch left over right here, so I can use them for other projects. I did get one of their little customary little diamond pen. I call it a pen. I don't know what you get. Tool. And plenty of wax. All the diamond prints come with all the jewels you need, plus the little dish and a little stylus tool. But I went ahead and picked one like this. I like the fact that I can a little bit more to it. But that is my diamond print. So, like I said, I will have Everyday Deals information linked in the description box. Go over and check out their store. Their shipping was fast. They give you a tracking number. It was awesome sales. Awesome. That it didn't take long. When I put my order in, I had it within probably 8 days. And this is what he looks like. It's totally completed. I love him. Going up in my bathroom. So go check out Everyday Deals. Like I said, they have custom ones where you can send in a picture. I have to check more into how you would do that. You probably just email them a picture, I imagine, of what you want, and then they create it. They have, like I said, they have little handbags, cross stitching. So that's something I've never did, is a cross stitch. Maybe I'll pick something up and try my hand at cross stitching. They have blind boxes, which I purchased a blind box. Or was given a blind box. I picked out a blind box. Came with awesome. I could show them to you. Just in case you didn't watch the first video I made, I'll show you again. Oh. I'm actually saving these for my granddaughter, because with my eyesight, diamond doing this can get to my eyes, so I'll give myself a break. But I picked out a blind box just to see. And I like what I got in them. It's pretty cute. This is this little girl. I think Allie would like to do her. So, like I said, it shows all the little stones or diamonds or gems. That was in the blind box. I got the one that was for 3. This was in the blind box. Diamond wants me to do this for her bathroom, because she says it reminds her of Hawaii. So, I'm just going to put that in her. When I showed her, she's like, Mom, I want that for my bathroom. I'm like, okay. So, the next one I'll be working on. And then this one, which is so cute, they're all awesome, was the little elephant. And I can't show you my charm. Well, I guess I can. Now in this one, it's not the face, but it's just little spots. So I might work on this one next, because this one I probably do for Riley Rue. It's my granddaughter. So that was in the blind box as well. So that was pretty cool, you know. For being a blind box and not knowing, I thought that they came out really good, you know. That I was like, oh, awesome. But I also got this, which I think is so pretty. I hang it in my window, except that it's been kind of not a lot of sun. So I haven't seen it sparkle, but I got this little, I don't know what they call these. What are they? I call them window charms, but let me go see real quick. I have their site up. What did they call these? Where did I find them? Home decor. Crystal sun catcher. Yep. So crystal sun catcher. So I said window catcher. But they have a lot of them. Just gorgeous. I could have absolutely lost my mind just in the little catchers like these, because I like things hanging from my windows like this. So, but please go over and check out Everyday Deals. Like I said, I will have all their information linked in the description box below. As always, guys, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now, everybody, and have a good day.